Hey, the average Joe here, doing above average designs with the software HVAC solution. What is so different and unique about HVAC solution software? This is software developed by consulting engineers for consulting engineers. It works the way we think. Who's the core audience for our applications? Well, it's design consulting engineers, design build contractors, facility owners, educational facilities, manufacturers, the representatives as well, and anybody testing, balancing, or troubleshooting an HVAC system. We're all about getting projects in and out the office door with the software. We can design air, hydronic, steam, drain waste and vent systems, refrigerant, VRF, and control schematics. They're all intelligent and they integrate the system schematics together to communicate and send information back and forth. Why should you or I use HVAC solution? The time savings is unbelievable. Using pre-built systems or importing loads from Train, Trace, Carrier, HAP, or Elite HVAC software. It's easily reviewable by multiple people in your office, improved documentation, a quick understanding of decisions, professional marketing system schematics to help everybody to understand, how the system's laid out and what equipment's being used, standardization in an office, clear communication of design intent. Parameters are easily viewed and looked at. You can run different scenarios, up to 24, and automatically selects and schedule equipment from over 60 manufacturers. And then, of course, we have the Revit add-in, which makes it easy to place your schematics and schedules inside of Revit. What are we all about with the software? Partnering with over 60 HVAC equipment manufacturers to this date so far, as well as Autodesk Revit to streamline your work, making everyone's work more enjoyable.